Everything will always be okay.
No go do me Sega, no go do me Contra, no go do me Mario, no go do me Sheila, no go do me Jadba, no go do me Johnny O. I beg you do me Sarah, make I do you Abraham. I beg you do me Galileo, do me Cleopatra, or if you do me Julia, go fit to do you Romeo. Yeah. Now only you they press my pimp. Only you they give me ginger. Only you they make my heart spin. Only you they high my fever. Only you they press my pimp. Only you they give me ginger. Only you they make my tin bin. Only you they high my fever. No, only you they press my pimp. No, only you they make my heart spin. No, only you they press my pimp. No, only you they make my tin.
Sure, just relax. Listen guys, I've said this time without number. It's a new year and I'm trying to focus on this music thing fully. But you guys keep distracting me and fighting all the time. I'm trying to get back on road and drop this debut album. Like, am I the first guy to have 8 girlfriends? Talk to me, why you guys so quiet now? Sorry for yourself, what else you want me to do? I do everything, like I'm... Yo, babe, chill, what's up, man? Are you giving me that look?
Oh yeah, do me Mary Magdalene. Make I do you Jesus. Miracle no go leave us. Been looking for lady who better than or harder than. None of them is smarter than Udarakba, Ukbabio Mokalaba. Been searching from Jalingo to Taraba. It's all about where you do the shababa. You won't keep about, make me want to rababa. Hey, bum galan beat to Sakaba. Atibia Baipo Mofu Wodapada. Been to UK, been to Canada, Santa Monica, Brooklyn, Babalada. The girls them they cover me die like Agbada, but I know they remember their face like Lakaja. My love is easy, be tell me your $10. My love every politician, she love a dollar. Boy.
No go do me Sega, no go do me Contra, no go do me Mario, no go do me Sheila, no go do me Jadba, no go do me Johnny O. I beg you do me Sarah, make I do you Abraham. I beg you do me Galileo, do me Cleopatra, or if you do me Julia, go fit to do you Romeo. Yeah. Now only you they press my pimp. Only you they give me ginger. Only you they make my heart spin. Only you they high my fever. Only you they press my pimp. Only you they give me ginger. Only you they make my tin bin. Only you they high my fever. No, only you they press my pimp. No, only you they make my heart spin. Yeah. No, only you they press my pimp. No, only you they make my tin. Inside the rain, you go down under my umbrella. Down under my umbrella. 'Cause you can only drip in Versace or Margiela. Drip in Versace or Margiela. If you know they gel for me. No. Not the way they love me, they work for me.
Hi, my name is Ayo. I'm an Nora fitness instructor. If I had to describe 2020 in color, for me 2020 is white. White means safety. It is associated with light, purity, and positive. Irregardless of what is happening right now, I still believe that God is going to work out things for our good. Keep watching live and entertainment. Ayo Befit Gym. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yemi. I'm a registered nurse. 2020 is a year of mixed feeling. It's black because I've seen too many deaths. I work and treat people with COVID, and it's a sorry case, something I don't like, something I wouldn't really want to talk about. But then on the positive side, and that's where the blue side is, I've opened a new chapter in my life in terms of relationship and in my entrepreneurial goal. Thank you.
I'm Busola and I'm a soilless farmer. The color I call this period for me, this lockdown period, the blue. Why? Because it stands for intelligence, calmness, and sometimes boring. This is the time to increase and sharpen your skills, read more and become better at what you're doing. Calmness stands for, resting from all the hustle and bustle. And it can sometimes be boring because you're going nowhere.
Okay, so describing year 2020 with a color, but it could be red though, because it's not red. Well, I'm saying red is like a sign of danger. I don't believe in all those signs and color people use red. I love red, I love black, no color signify evil to me or danger. But if I have to just go by the tradition, I would say red or black. Say, when people mourn, they use black. When people lost something, like I've lost a lot, like months now, no job, no nothing. Everywhere is dark. So it's either red or black. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Oluwafemi Omoria. I'm a charismatic compere and a creative content writer. If I'm to describe 2020 so far with a color, I would say yellow, because yellow is bright and it's my job to brighten any event I find myself. And if you look at COVID-19, what's happening around us today, the bright side of it is that I've been able to bond with my family. Keep watching Life and Entertainment. My name is FMC. Enjoy.
It's Young John, the wicked producer.
Basic Entertainment.
Forward ever, backward never. See, skip me my honor. My guy, you no get you all. As I got going phone, I swear na so in answer. Hey, I like me love. Come me love them all. Hey, Kafuri balẹ̀. Èdùmàrè á gbé wa sókè. Hey, nobody answer, nobody bother, but God answer my prayer. Everybody say, yeah, Oluwa, ojo adame. Yeah, Oluwa, ojo. Baba gbàdúrà mi o, gbàdúrà mi o. Má jẹ́ kí n pòfo, àmì o. Ojúmọ́mọ́ mi mo ríre o, ẹni má ṣeré má ríre gbà o. Bẹ̀rù má dúpẹ́ àrí mi gbà o. Cause I wake up and bless. Mo dúpẹ́ f'Olúwa, no stress yo. And I big up my chest as I make the money and invest the money oh. Baba bless my hustle. Olúwa èmi no fẹ́ bọ́ọ̀bù. Cause Dangote still dey find the money. Me I want to make this money. Kiramoto for my mommy. In case you don't know, Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá olórí méjì o. Lórí méjì o. No, kò má lórí méjì o. Olúwa bless me, yeah. Oh no. Yeah, Oluwa. Yeah, Oluwa. Baba gbàdúrà mi o, gbàdúrà mi stop our show. We go the go 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 go. We go the move like train, yo. I say nobody go ever stop our show. Ori mi balẹ̀. Edumara gbagba tere gbangba sọ̀kalẹ̀ o. Everywhere good. Hey, Sakari boye, nko le ye wọn. Tọ́lá ń gbé mi lọ kò lè gbé wọn. Now only you give me the ginger, the swag. Now you know they stop to interrupt the matter. Oh Lord, yeah. Oh Chanda me, Agaba Eduwe, lele. Cause I'm going to